Hi everyone, this is Soundar. I'm basically a BA graduate, had my master's from College of Engineering Gindi. I have been there in structural steel design firm for the past 20 years. So I'm basically from a Mason background. My ancestors and my fellow relatives are from Mason. So I always wanted to take this particular civil industry to the next level. So, as a mason, normally we talk about by means of thumb rules, we used to construct the houses. So, whenever we have the passion towards the same industry, when we see how our fellow persons are doing, so we want to master it. So, when we want to master it, we have to have a proper curriculum, proper course or not. So when I had my BE, then I had my master's in CEG. While I am doing, I had a passion towards structural steel. Since normally there are two types of structural components normally we have concrete, where concrete is basically for good in compression, where structural steel is the need of the hour, where when we have to go with high rises and all, the structural steel is must. So I got into the passion on structural steel. So whenever there is a passion for structural steel, one of the best among the world is Eversendai Construction Pvt Limited. So I belong to the group where the company is owned by Tanshri Ekenathan, who is the group managing director. So who have been guiding mentor for me. Then we have Dr. K. Saravanan, who is the senior vice president and taking care of all the India operations. So under their fellowships for this past 20 years, we have been there in many iconic projects, including Burj Khalifa, Statue of Unity, KL 108, 118 story, and there are a lot of airport structures, high rises. So many things, many iconic projects we have been involved. Nowadays, there is a huge lack of manpower. That's what I'm seeing in the industry, where the skilled manpower is highly lagging. Either it is, I'm not talking just about on the under the sun or in the factories or under erection site. It is majorly we have a lack of technical fellowships in the company itself. Say, when we get into people say from BE or from ME, the basic concepts are lagging. So whenever we as industry experts, we have to make sure the students are getting enough knowledge in terms of basics. So when you take any structures, you have to talk about structural bending moment, shear force diagram, how the structure behaves. Then it comes to normally any type of design. So that is more important. Whatever you do with your passion. You don't do for anything for your money or something. You have to complete the curriculum. Never think so. You have to when you learn anything with your passion, then that will give you satisfaction. So that is more important. I wish everyone a great success. Thank you, everyone.